Hi, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to customize option to answer or ending calls in our accessibility options. So first we need to go to the settings, then at the bottom of the screen we have accessibility, then interaction and dexterity. Here we have at the, where is it? Yes, answering and ending calls. And we can change quite a bit. For example, we can read caller names aloud if we have voice access enabled, answer automatically without even touching the phone, or press volume up to answer calls, button down to end calls. It's even useful for if we don't want to swipe our screen. And that's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.